guys, we're out here in Plano, Texas today getting a roof taken care of. As you can see, we're doing all fresh decking. This is actually 7/16 OSB. Before it had 3/8, which is actually a violation of code, so we need to make sure we are code compliant. It's not an upgrade. A lot of your insurance companies will try to talk insurance policy with us, code upgrade, this, that, and the other. As a contractor state of Texas, we cannot talk insurance policy, but we can make sure that we're bringing everything up to code. It's not an upgrade, but it is compliancy. So making sure you got the right contractor, knowing the terminology without, of course, violating the laws, and making sure your customers are taken care of. We focus on the quality of our jobs, not the quantity. So, we got all our roof stuff like that, making sure the decking's actually up to code. And of course, now it's no longer spongy. With that 3/8 decking, walking on it, even on a fat day or a skinny day, you could feel all the decking spongy. So I noticed that during the roof inspection, brought that up to the insurance adjuster. He tried to deny it, saying they did not have code upgrade on their policy. So I explained to him I don't talk policy because legally we are not allowed to, but we had to bring it up to code and of course make sure the safety of my crew was priority, and of course the overall final build out for the client was taken care of and done the right way. Because with that 3/8 plywood, it was a non-nailable surface. It's probably had about 4 to 5 plus roofs. So any of you guys that were affected by the recent hailstorms, make sure your contractor is actually savvy, not just your typical roof salesman. Make sure they actually know what they're looking at, gone through the certification courses, and actually know the hands-on side behind this, so they can make sure they're doing everything to protect your roofing crews, your house, and of course making sure you're going through everything with the insurance company the right way. There's a lot of guys out there that just started, or as soon as a hailstorm kicks on, they jump right back into the roofing industry, and then as soon as it starts to die down, they go back to doing whatever job they did before. So anyways, if y'all have questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to us. This is Garrett with Warrior Wolf.